Want to know a secret? Most millionaires didn't get rich from crypto, winning the lottery, or finding the next hot stock. They built wealth using a strategy so boring that most people completely ignore it. Social media makes it look like wealth is created overnight. One viral post, one lucky investment, one huge business breakthrough. But the reality is very different. Many financially free people build wealth through boring assets that generate income year after year. Here's how they do it. Tip number 1, focus on cash-generating assets. Instead of chasing trends, focus on assets that consistently put money into your pocket. This could be dividend-paying stocks, index funds, rental properties, small businesses, or digital assets that generate recurring revenue. The goal isn't excitement. The goal is predictable income. Every dollar earned by your assets is a dollar you no longer have to work for. Tip number 2, reinvest your returns. This is where the magic happens. Most people spend their investment gains. Wealth builders reinvest them. When dividends buy more shares or rental income buys more assets, you're creating a compounding machine. First few years may seem slow, but over time, the growth becomes exponential. Many people underestimate what consistent investing can achieve over 10 or 20 years. Tip number 3, ignore financial noise. Every week there's a new market prediction, a new trend, or a new investment everyone claims will change your life. Most of it is distraction. Successful investors focus on proven principles. They invest consistently, they stay patient, and they avoid emotional decisions. The wealthiest people often look boring from the outside because they're following a simple system repeatedly. Truth is that financial freedom rarely comes from one big decision. It comes from hundreds of small, smart decisions made consistently over time. That's why boring often wins, and that's exactly why most people never do it. They chase excitement while wealth builders quietly accumulate assets. Next time you see a flashy get-rich-quick opportunity, ask yourself one question. Will this still be making me money 5 years from now? If the answer is no, it may not be helping you build true financial freedom. Do you prefer exciting investments or boring wealth-building assets? Comment boring wins below and subscribe for more financial freedom strategies, passive income ideas, and wealth-building lessons.